Hey guys, Cat's Hobby Corner here. It is registering a negative 22 here in zone 6. We got about, looks like four inches of snow. They said it'd be 1 to 3 inches. And at first they said it was gonna be a little warmer, but it's definitely negative 22. Just taking a quick view of the garden. I'm glad I put that tarp down because, yeah, I don't think it would have been able to handle this. The strawberry bin look like it's doing okay. It's got its lid on and the snow hasn't fallen down in there, so we're doing good. I just thought it'd be fun to come out here and show you all this, and I've never experienced negative 22 degrees, so I guess if I lived in the Arctic or Alaska or something like that, this would be interesting. But hey y'all, there's Mr. KG over there. Wait, Mr. KG. We so silly. All right guys, thanks for hanging out with Cat's Hobby Corner.